Hello, today's a magical colors. Let's draw bunny. Today we're going to draw two types of bunny. One in the front and one is going back. So let's make backwards U and connect with the oval shape for the mouth. Let's make oval eyes this time. Okay, and then we can cover half as a circle and put a pupil. Make a circle and a dot. Let's make some eyelashes. Now we're going to make W. This time we're going to make mouth also. Okay, bunny has a big ears. Let's make a big ears. Go up, curve, and come down. Up, curve, and come down. Okay, then we're going to make one more curve and come down. You can make pointy ears if you like this. There you go. And then we need to make a big oval for the body, like an egg. Let's make two hands. One and one more. Let's make 1, 2, and 3 lines to show it's a bunny's hand. And then we're going to make 1 round, 2 round, and a 3 rounds. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 to show the feet. Let's put a small curve, little tail. Let's make one more bunny. This bunny is going towards mama. Okay, so just make a backwards U and then C, then backwards C. Now we need to make small C, go all the way, little longer line, see? One more, there you go. Now we need to make a tail, wiggly, and curve, come back and connect. We do not need to put eyes because bunny is going towards mama, right? Let's make 2 ears. Go up, curve, and come down. Up, turn, and come down and connect to the ears. There you go. 2 little monkeys, 2 little bunnies. And let's make a few eggs here. Put some designs, curves, and just curve lines, and you, and a line. You can also make like this side. You can make curvy lines and straight lines, then curvy lines and straight lines, and one more curved lines like a snake, right? So there's 2 eggs. Let's make one more that goes this way. Okay, and you can make 2 straight lines, 2 zigzag lines, or 1 zigzag line, and again 1 more straight line and a zigzag line. You can decorate your egg as you like. It's fun to draw and color if you like to. Let's color our eggs. Which color would you do it today? I have green. Let's do it green. Make an outline. And I'm going to color only the lines. I'm going to leave the rest just white. I like white color. Now I'm picking the blue. Let's outline and fill in the color only in the lines. But if you like, you can color everywhere. It's your choice. And let's make 1 purple. I think this is kind of dark red. Okay. The lines. I'm going to fill in the lines. There you go. Very easy. I will also color my bunny, baby bunny, yellow. Do you like yellow color? I like yellow color. Yellow color is a nice and bright color, like the sun, a shiny sun. Yep, every morning the sun comes, sun rises, right? And brings our day bright. Like this, yellow. Let's make a small sun. Make a circle, and then you can make one line go up and one more down, the side one, and one more on the other side. And let's make a small lines inside to show it is shining. Let's color Mama Bear, Mama Bunny. Let's color orange to Mama Bunny. Maybe she will like orange. I'm going to do the outline first. Stay inside my lines as much as possible. It's okay if you go a little bit out of the line, but try your best, okay? Just fill in the colors. That's it. So easy. You all can do it. Yeah. Let's make the body orange too. I'm not going to do it on the hands. I'm only going to do it on the body. I think that would be okay to leave hands white. See? It's all done. Now it's your turn to do. Make sure you all do it. Practice your drawings and have a lot of fun. See you, bye.